this video I'm going to show you how you can log out of Fortnite on the Nintendo Switch. So for this you will need to use either a PC or your phone, and here's how we can do it. So just Google search for Epic Games and load up the first website here that pops up. Then we want to select sign in, and we will sign in with our Nintendo account. So choose Nintendo here, and it's going to ask you for your email, password, and it's going to log you in with your Nintendo account here on Fortnite. So once we have been logged in, you will click on your name found in the top right, and then we want to go into account. So here from account, what we're going to do is go into apps and accounts, just like that. And here you will see Nintendo as a connected account. So what we want to do is just click on remove here and just tick all of these options like that and select remove account. This is going to log you out of your account on Fortnite Nintendo Switch, and you can create a new one or log into a new one. And that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.